Good day, GP Perky Perks. This is Mr. Daggett again, here for all your 5th grade percussion excitement. I wanted to play a few different exercises for you. We're going to play on page 15. I'm going to do numbers 56, 57, 58, 59, and 61. And then we'll take a look at the first and second ending of Samuel Creek and the repeat, and we'll talk about that a little bit. So first of all, this is exercise 56 on page 15. One, two, ready, and. Okay, now remember, when you see the little Z's, for right now, as a 5th grader, all I want you to do is press in and let it bounce. Okay, we talked about flams last time. Flams are the downbeat note and the grace note, which is this little guy here. The grace note happens first. Which sounds different than if the upper note, the downbeat note, happens before the grace note. Watch this. Compared to different sound. So I'll play 56 one more time. Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, and. There you have it. Now 57 starts a little differently. If you notice, it says 4/4 time, and then you'll see the quarter note that happens right before the first full measure. So it's kind of its own measure, but it only has one beat in it. And if you notice at the top of the page, this is called a pickup note. A pickup note. Okay? So how this is played is you would say 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You play on count 4. So again, it's 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. So let's try 57. I'll count it off just like that. Again, we don't come in on 1, we come in on count what? 4. There you go. Starting on the left hand. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Also, if you notice at the end of 57, the last bar, if you were to look, only has 3 beats. There's 4 separate notes, but 3 beats. 1, 2, and 3. And the reason for that is, in music theory, we talk about taking that pickup note. It's like you take it from that last note of the last measure and put it in the beginning. So here is 58. 58 also starts with a pickup note, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we play on count 4. We have those little buzz notes there as well. Starting again on the left hand. 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. 59, if you notice, 59 is in 2/4, so there are 2 quarter notes per measure. 1, and 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Try it again. 1, 2, 59, and. Okay, now we can try that off the right hand as well. 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Let's go over to 61. 61 is go for excellence. This is in 4/4. Notice there are accents. Those are the little sideways triangle things. There are the little buzz rolls and flams. No pickup beats this time though. No pickup notes. Here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. Let's try that one more time. 1, and 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. There it is. Now we're going to flip to Sawmill Creek. Sawmill Creek. Oh, I went too far. It's on page 20. And we're just going to look at the first and second ending. So this is measure 6 and measure 7. Here we go. Here's the first ending. Going back to measure 3. 1, 2, ready, and. That was measure 3, the downbeat. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, ready, and. Good. Now let's start in the first ending. We go back to measure 3, and then we play measure 3, 4, and 5 again. Look at that right now. Measure 3, 4, and 5. And then we skip measure 6. We skip it and go to measure 7, which is the second ending. Let's try that. Starting on the first ending, measure 6, go back to 3, and then skip 6 and go to 7. I'll kind of yell it out as we play. 1, 2, ready, and. Measure 3. Measure 4. Measure 5. Here's measure 6, right? 7. 7. Let's try that again from the first ending. 1, 2, ready, and. 3, 4, 5. Here's measure 7. There you have it.
Have a good day.